Hi Elmo, here I am. They're tearing down the house at the top and I wanted you to see them crash in the windows. Look at that. They're just crashing in a house. There it goes. This is a big machine across the street from Grandma's, kind of at a diagonal, not directly across the street. And that great big thing is just smacking down a house. Look, it almost took off the whole second floor. Look at that. That's amazing. It is a really, really weird thing. We don't ordinarily see people tearing down houses. Oh look, he just dipped right through the roof, making another great big hole. I'm trying to get a good view for you, but I don't know what that's gonna be. No, that's the screen. That's too obstructed. Here, let's look here. It's hard to tell what's going on because it's a great big jumbled mess. But that big machine is just pushing right through the roof and taking big bites out of the house. Look at that. And I think it's making a big hole, and then the machine takes what it crashed at the front, bites it, and then moves it into the other part of the house. I don't understand why, but that looks like, look, there he goes, taking a big pile of debris that it created from biting through those windows. Look at that. Isn't that strange? And here he goes. I think he's going to take another big pile of debris. Let's see. It's like biting it. Biting up a big pile of debris, moving it, dumping it in the middle of that other part of the house. Let's watch. It's just knocking it right down. Taking a big bite of house and moving it and dropping it. Let's see. Here he goes again. Take a big bite of house, bite it, pick it up, and move it. Isn't that the strangest thing? And in the meantime, the house across the street from us is just a big pile of rubble. Okay, I'm gonna stop and see if I can get a landscape view that's better. Okay, bye-bye.